Howdy folks, what we have here is a 2001 model Onan Commercial 6.5 kilowatt generator. This is the NHD series. Full series identification on this unit is 6.5 NHD FB. This is a 120 240 volt gasoline generator. It has 493 original hours on it. Just completed the 500 hours service. Starts right up. Had to reset, I dropped my meter off the table. Here we go, started it again. Like I said, it starts right up first try. Turn on the power. I got this hooked up on each branch of the 120. This is outlet panel that I have hooked up. We got two loads connected to it. We have a 1500 watt DeWalt and a 1400 watt heat gun. That is loaded voltage. Here the governor controlling. That's the remote outlet for the remote control. That works as well. That one's hot. Yikes, that one's very hot. New Onan fuel filter, air filter, Wix oil filter, new synthetic oil. This is the Hertz reading. Again, that's with about 50% load, about 3,000 watts total. Chemical decarbon on the pistons, new Denso iridium spark plugs. Governor's been adjusted. This unit is good to go, ready for service. This is also showing the 12 volt voltage charging system on it for the starter battery. Up the meter here for DC voltage. Except my negative lead popped off right there. I have to get it hooked back on. And you can see here about 13.5. It levels out at about 13.75 on this battery. Pretty full charge battery. But it's ready to go, ready for service. Thank you for watching the video.